Today we're going to start a fire using jute rope and a flint and steel and carbon cloth that we made today. The carbon cloth is made out of a basic cotton, has to be all cotton. This is just an old dish towel. You use about 1.5-inch squares of fabric that you cut from that. And I'm using an Altoids tin, metal tin, opens, seals closed, poking a hole in the top. When you put the fabric in and close it, you set it on a bed of coals or a small fire, and you'll see coming out of this hole smoke or even a small flame. And as it burns the material away, leaving only the carbon left, and that's a really good fire starter to use in the woods. So when it gets done, it looks like this: individual pieces of fabric, still pretty firm. I mean, they tear very easily, but it isn't as though they just turn into charcoal in your hands. You can store them, you can carry them with you, and they work very well. What I'm going to use as a fire starting accelerator is jute. And jute is a twine or rope you can pick up at any hardware store. And all I've done is taken a piece of it and just kind of pulled it apart. And as it pulls apart and frays, it eventually becomes this, which is just a great, almost rat's nest to start a fire in. This is very flammable. It goes up very quickly, so I would suggest in a fire starting situation where you really need to make it the first time count, that you'd want to use plenty of this and kind of fold it fairly tightly. What I'm going to do is, first of all, I'm going to set this up on our deer feeder here, just give us a place to have a little stage here for an example. I'm going to take a piece of this carbon and set it here, take my magnesium flint block and my knife, and I'm just going to strike it a couple times. Okay, that's all it took. And as you can see, we've got that going. Now you're going to take that, set it in there, fold it over, boom, and you have fire. And it's good to go. And that'll burn long enough for you to get your material on it. What I would suggest is, when you do this, you make sure you have small sticks, medium sticks, large sticks, and lots of stuff that you can kind of keep piling on there to keep going, so that you don't have to leave the area, get more stuff and bring it back, and then it'll burn out. But as you can see, I mean, it's burning for quite a while. That jute works very well, and it's giving plenty of heat and plenty of time to start a fire. Thanks a lot.